are out at the coast, here to dig some razor clams after a long, cold, wet, windy, snowy winter. And if you look outside, it's blue sky, sunny. They're saying around 60 degrees, and it's still winter because spring doesn't officially start till Tuesday or Wednesday next week. So anyway, trying to get a chance to get out of the city and get out here into some fresh air. We're heading up to Roosevelt Beach, see how the clamming is. People said they were doing pretty well yesterday down at Ocean Shores, but it's closed today, so we're gonna go see if we can find a regular parking spot. Well, it's lunchtime here at the coast. We're sitting here in the truck with the ocean out the front windshield, and this is what we're having for lunch. Well, that's what I'm having. Fish and chips and clams. And Joey's having the halibut and chips and clams. How is it?
Good stuff.
Good stuff?
Mm-hmm.
We happened to get here on the weekend to dig razor clams. And it is also the Ocean Shores Razor Clam Festival. So the town is very busy and lots of food to be had. So anyway, gonna eat lunch and then work our way north to go dig clams. The guy with the clam guns is here.
He's here. Hey, Dave.
We are just getting ready to cross the Copalis River.
The reason we can't drive all the way out here on the beach.
Yeah. So anyway, there's the river. There. You can see the campgrounds are not full, but there are vehicles in them. This is what, a couple of years since we've been out this way?
I think so. Yeah.
I don't think we came out last year.
I don't think so. Something kept coming up.
Yeah. Either the weather or illness or no money. Probably mostly no money. So we were about 10 miles south of the town of Moclips on Roosevelt Beach. So you can see the place is getting busy already. Pacific Ocean out that way. People flying kites. So this is Roosevelt Beach. You can see people out there already digging. It is 3 o'clock, Saturday, March 18th. See all the cars on the beach. The bluffs up above us that we use to as landmark to know where we parked. Always look for the white houses. There's Joey. Say hi, Joey.
Hello.
So anyway, we're gonna get everything ready to go here. Grab the boots, grab the guns, and then we should be ready to go. Alright, looks like we're all set.
I think we're ready to go.
Usually, for the winter tides at night, it's dark and it's raining. So today is a plus. Because,
It's a little breezy.
yeah, it's a little breezy, but we'll be warming up here pretty soon. The low tide is at 5, it's 3 o'clock. As I showed you earlier, people are digging out there already. So, got the guns ready, got our gloves on, got our boots, nets, clam counters. We're set to go. On our way down to the surf. I see guys out there fishing. Roosevelt Beach goes that way. Smoke Cliffs is over there. I think around that point. Pan down here. Ocean Shores is that way. About 10 miles. The bluffs, the red bluffs of Roosevelt Beach. As you can see, people have already started to dig up here. Hopefully the clams will show good. Seeing all kinds of shrimp holes there. So I thought I saw a show. Sure enough, he's right there. You can just see him floating in the surface of where I dug. First clam of 2023. Clam number 2. Right there. There he is, clam number 2. They're just now starting to stick their necks up. There's one right here. See him? See him? Grab him. Should be enough, I think. There you go. There you go. There it is. Oh, go down one more. There you go. That should do it. Gotta make sure you keep that hole plugged. There he is. Nice. Hold him up. First clam 2023. Nice. Rinse him off and then show him. There he is. Nice one. Good job. Alright, so we got some clams showing here. There's one right there. You can see he just spit up a little bit. Let's see if I can see him again when the... See if he'll clear his hole here in a second. And let's see. There's one right there, it looks like. No, that's a rock. It was right here somewhere where the water came in. Oh, right there. Right at my foot. I mean, literally right at my toe, tip of my toe. Joey, right there, hurry. See him? Oh, he just got, the wave just got him. He's a good sized one too. Alright, let's see if I can get this guy here. Oh man, that sand is... And let's see him. Huh. Where'd he go? He must still be right here. See if he's still here. Where?
On the very bottom.
Oh, yep, there he is. Right there. He's chubby. He's a chubby one. Clam number 3. There he is. See the hole? Right there. Let's see what we got here. Joey. Joey. See him right there? You're supposed to get him before the wave came. You're supposed to get him before the wave came. Here, take your gun.
Daddy, did you get the bucket?
Nope. Well, since I got 3, I should probably mark 3 on my little counter here. 2, 3. So how many you got? 4? I got 6 so far. Yeah, a couple of little tiny ones, but I think the tide's kind of done going out. Okay, so we both got our limits. Hold up your bag of clams, Joey. Show off a little bit here. Nice.
They're 9.15. They're all about the same size. Some little ones, but those were the ones I really got.
Yeah. You did okay. They'll eat.
All about this size.
Yeah. I got a couple that are bigger than that, but not by much. So what we did was we crossed this little trough here and went over to the sandbar where you see everybody over there. And they were everywhere out there. And bigger ones. So anyway, you can look see all the people down the beach. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We've gotten bigger ones.
Yeah.
These are good.
Yeah, you can see from mine that I got a few bigger ones in there. I'll get some up down when we put them in the cooler. So anyway, we're done for the day. Car is over, the truck's right over there, just to the right of that cleft right there. So we'll catch you back at the truck. Now comes the fun part, getting out of the boots and into the shoes.
Right. Let's get the shoes back on.
Yeah. Get stuff put away, and then we can start making the 4-hour drive home. Alright, so here's a sampling of the clams that we got. Big one on the end there, big moss back, and then this is an average size, I think. There's a few tiny ones. Show them that one.
Tiny one.
Yeah, he's tiny. But you got to keep the first 15 you dig. No picking and choosing. But yeah, not bad for the first dig of the year. Another one coming up next weekend. Probably be here by myself, maybe. We'll see. So anyway, that's it for our first dig of 2023. It was good to get out of the city.
Yes, for sure.
It's good to get out of the house. I've been sick for the last week and a half. Finally caught the COVID bug after 3 years. But fortunately it was a mild case. So anyway, gonna sign out here for now, and we will talk to you later. Say goodbye, Joey.
Bye.
Okay, we'll catch you on the next one.